Yes, why didn't you guys have your pizza? So just finally chops those like so. That's there. I'll show you a quicker way to deal with this ginger. Smash them like that. Chop them sideways. Put them in. Put that to one side. Okay, once that's all done, what we normally do is turn the knife over and give it a final chops. I'm trying to get as much don't worry about the juices because it absorbs it straight off as it goes. Now it's time to mix. I would normally put mix it well, and trust me, make more of this than you think you need, because this is what's gonna make the chicken pop. Okay, leave that for a few minutes while you heat up the oil. Okay, you gotta make sure your oil is hot enough. It's gotta have that much smoke's coming out of it. Okay. Once your oil's hot enough, pour half of it in, stir it. And then the last bit. Like so. Now that's done, ready for the chicken. Okay, in a cold wok, lay your chicken in. Like so. I don't marinate it with anything yet. Okay, why are you screaming again? Huh? Lovely. Okay, so that chicken has been sizzling there on a low heat for about 6-7 minutes now, coming up to 7 minutes. At this point I will sprinkle a little bit of salt, but on the skin side I don't want anything on it at all. Now you can have a look. This is the lovely caramelized text. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at that. On this side we're going to give it a good, that's really crispy. On this side we're going to give it another 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and then we're going to turn it over again on a higher heat just to crispen this up a little bit more, and then we'll take it off. Now, at this point you can turn the heat up one more time. Wow, it's beautiful. And that won't take long, just a minute with that. Alright, and I think that's done. Beautiful. Wow. Lovely. Okay, so it's been resting for about 10 minutes. I want you to listen to this. It is very crispy, very crispy bit. My knife doesn't even cut into this. Wow, you can see the moisture's there, huh? Just lay that there like that. Wow, look at that. Oh, see that? If you haven't done chicken this way before, I recommend it. You should try it, because once you do it this way, you get so much out of the chicken. Just take this part here, and I wouldn't drizzle any sauce over this. Going to keep the skin nice and crispy, and the onions that we made earlier. That there, my friend. My version of chicken with ginger and spring onion sauce. Alright, let's test this out. Wow, the skin is so nice.